Welcome! If you're looking to customize your Google Chrome experience by disabling the bookmarks icon, you've come to the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to make this change easily. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once it's open, you'll see your familiar browsing interface. Next, look to the top right corner of your browser where you'll find 3 vertical dots. This is known as the menu button. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options. Now, you need to scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust many aspects of your Chrome browser. Once you're in the Settings menu, locate and enter the Toolbar shortcut section. This section allows you to manage different shortcuts and icons that appear in your toolbar. Here, you will see various options related to the bookmarks icon. You can choose another option that suits your preferences. For instance, if you want to hide the bookmarks icon completely, simply select an option that disables it, or choose a different toolbar shortcut that you find more useful. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the bookmarks icon on Google Chrome. This simple adjustment can help streamline your browsing experience, giving you more space and reducing clutter on your toolbar. Remember, if you ever want to enable the bookmarks icon again, or make further adjustments, just follow these steps in reverse. Customizing your browser is all about making it work best for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your browsing experience. Happy surfing!